I'm really enjoying it at UCW. I never did makeup. I did sport for 2 years and then I changed and I've come to uni and to do makeup, and it's probably been the best experience I've ever done, and I've met amazing people like Ffion.
Me.
And the teachers we have and the lecturers, they're just amazing, and it's just something I really wanted to do and I'm glad I'm doing it.
We've kept ourselves busy with different work experiences. There's always something to do with the course. We do a lot of work with other people in the course. So we've been to Boscastle with the film students, done work with the police station, but I'd say our favourite is probably working at a fire station in Ailsey.
We've kind of got a bond with them now, and we basically do the makeup for their simulations and their trainees to help them.
It's kind of like first aid training.
Yeah.
We do simulations and they come in and treat it as a real accident. They have a lot of fun doing it, so do we.
My dream is to work with Marvel.
I would like to be working on my own for a little bit, freelance artistry. We have great tutors.
We had two very really...
They're really great.
Yeah, I think their enthusiasm gives off enthusiasm, but yeah.
They give us everything that we could possibly need. The material and just this, like the skills that we can learn from them is just amazing, and I'd say that's one of the best things about being at UCW.